Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn the signs for dangerous and to keep safe. Okay, so we'll look at them again. So dangerous, flat hand, and it's going to strike twice down the middle of your head, okay? Dangerous. From the side, dangerous. And to keep safe, so the arm is going to be outstretched a little and it's going to be flat, and then with your dominant hand you're going to curve it a bit into that gathering motion, and it's going to start at the edge of your fingers, and as you come in, it's not only your hand, the top of your hand, that's going to come in, but the whole arm. You're going to be gathering it towards your body to keep it safe, okay? To keep safe. So your hand then has passed over all your fingers from where it started. Again, so it's going to start at the edge of your fingers, arm's going to be outstretched a bit, and we're going to keep it safe. So be tucked in towards your body. Shall I do it from the side? So, to keep safe, you've gathered it in to keep you safe. So I might say to Harry, Harry, you need to be careful. It's dangerous. Okay, Mummy needs to keep you safe. Okay, I hope that helps, and I will see you again.